Hi, YouTube family members. My name is Mukesh, and today in Udaipur there is a very popular and beautiful place, tourist place, Neemuch Mata. Me and my family and Titanium family, all the trainees, we are going to Neemuch Mata, and I'll show you a few glimpses. So, if you have not visited Udaipur, then whenever you are here, you must visit this. This is a beautiful place. Just one side there is a Fateh Sagar, another side there is Neemuch Mata. So let's go. I'll show you one by one some places from the Neemuch Mata. Now it's almost 7 o'clock and we are going upstairs. दो हैं स्टेयर्स भी हैं और रास्ता भी है. यहाँ से लगभग 750 Sri Neemuch Mata Mandir. Almost it's 1 kilometer. Our team is with us. We are going on track. So here is our team. We all are going up. We all are going. It's dark now, अंधेरा हो चुका है, लेकिन फिर भी क्राउड ऊपर जा रही है. दूर है अभी तो बहुत. Oh my God, still it's too far. Oh, what is here? 500 meters. Oh my God, that is the top. This is the entire team coming. So finally we are taking rest here after almost 700-800 meters. We are taking rest here, and here is Himanshu with us. Himanshu, could you describe where we are going and how much distance have you covered?
Sir, we have completed 800 meters, and we are going to Neemuch Mataji temple. It is a good tourist place nearby the Fateh Sagar lake, and the viewpoint from the top of the Neemuch Mata temple, it's literally very nice. मतलब जो भी कोई उदयपुर आता है तो सबसे पहले नीमच माता उनकी प्रायोरिटी में रहता ही है सर.
So these all trainees here. We have Mudit here. We have Mr. Alpesh. You have seen them in group discussion. She is my daughter Imanji, Janwa, and my wife. Right. So we are going now. Let's go.
Hello.
बंद कर ले.
Hello.
You can see the beautiful scene of Udaipur from top. Still we have to go. We have to cover up the distance of 200 meters, but this is a beautiful city, Udaipur. You can see the lighting. There is a Fateh Sagar lake. From the top view I'll show you again, but just have a look. We are almost there, only 100 meters far. Jai Shri Neemuch Mata.
Finally we have reached.
There is a temple. We'll go there. From here you can see the beautiful lake, although it's not visible at the night time, but the city is clearly visible. Today there is a full moon. Wow. Here's the temple, and now from here you can see the Fateh Sagar. This is the beautiful lake. So we have reached 1 kilometer distance we covered. Now we are sitting in temple and time it's 7:30, 7:30 baje hain. And Himanshu, so how are you feeling?
So I'm feeling peace after having darshan of Mataji, and the winds are blowing cold air, and the environment is also nice.
So you can find the peace here. There's a beautiful environment here. This is the topmost area of Udaipur, and from here we can see all the tourist places like Fateh Sagar, Pichola, and Moti Mangri. This side, biological park. Almost tourist places we can see from here. Now we all will go for the dinner somewhere in restaurant, and it was a short vlog. If there are some important glimpses, I'll show you. Thank you.